Subscribe to House to Home. This is absolutely free. And also tap the bell icon so that you will get all notifications from our channel. Friends, and welcome back to your channel House to Home. This episode is on squid stir fry recipe, a typical Kerala style squid stir fry. I've taken about 1 kg of squid here. A detailed cleaning video of squid is another video, for which I will leave you the link in the description box below so that you can check it out. Coconut oil. I prefer using coconut oil. Coconut, ginger and garlic, curry leaves, onions. I am using the bigger one. You can also use the shallot, cumin seeds, red chili powder and turmeric powder. So these are all the ingredients required, and now let's start making. At first let's make the coconut masala, for which I have taken about half the shell of coconut, adding jeeras to it. Add garlic pods, about 15 to 20 garlic pods, half of the chopped onions, ginger. The more the ginger garlic, the more the good, because squid has some acidic digestive impact. Now you can ground the masala into coarse paste, as you see here. Don't make it fine. Now take the squid and squeeze out all the excess water from it. There shouldn't be any water content in the squid. Make sure there is no water content. Now add in the remaining chopped onions. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and red chili powder as per your taste. Now add the ground masala to the squid. You can add the coconut masala at the end also. Add curry leaves. Now we have to mix everything together. Before that, don't forget to add salt. Mix everything together and marinate this for about 5 minutes so that the masala enters into the squid completely. After 5 minutes, you can see that the masala has coated out the squid well. When you cook this, it will be very soft. Now let's add a tablespoon of coconut oil to this. I prefer you and suggest you to use coconut oil for better taste. Put this into the stove and cook for about 2 minutes. Saute it well for 2 minutes. Mix everything and combine everything together. Cover with a lid and cook in a medium flame for 5 minutes. Don't add any water. After 5 minutes, you can open the lid and see how much water the squid has oozed out. Cooking the squid in this water itself will give you a very good taste. Combine and mix everything together. Now we will have to put back the lid again and cook for again 2 minutes. Now all the water has come out. Turn your stove into high flame and keep stirring the squid until the water contents get completely dried off. Now you can see the water content has come to a low. Now add a tablespoon of coconut oil again and keep sauteing until it becomes dry. So this is the perfect stage. Your squid has get cooked well. You can have the squid fry with rice. It tastes awesome. Hope you will give this recipe out a try and let me know your comments and reviews in the comment section box below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Please share the video. Thanks for watching House to Home.